Hey everyone, it's Lindsay from My Crafty Plans. Today I'm going to be planning the week of July 20th in my personal wide ring bound planner. I am going to be planning for the week ahead, and I'm going to be using this beach kit from Hello Petite Paper. This is like her little mini kit format. It's like kind of similar to the Two Little Bees little bee kit. So when I saw this, I picked up a few of these. I thought this was so cute and that it would work really well for how I plan in my ring bound planner. I didn't plan in this planner last week, so I did skip a week, which I sometimes do, just was really busy. So here are the full boxes. You do get 8 full boxes, 4 half boxes, some of these little label things, some little functional deco, checklists, and then 4 more half boxes. So a lot of half boxes. And then my order did come with this extra freebie, which has some extra full boxes, some extra little functional stuff, and some labels and stuff that all match the same kit. So I put that aside with that when I put away my order. Yeah. So I'm still using these same Jesenia's Printables inserts that have the week, it's so called a week on 3 pages plus notes. So it's got this double sidebar that I use for meals and weather, Monday through Thursday, Friday through Sunday, and the notes section over here. And like I said, I did not plan in here last week, so I have my pre-planning written on a sticky note this week. So I'm gonna use these date covers from Rose and Tea Shop. I just thought these were really cute. I don't usually buy unfoiled date covers, but I don't know, I thought these were super adorable for in here. And I do have gold foil date dots though that I'm gonna pair with these, and I don't know why I just stuck that down on Thursday. Oh boy, it's gonna be one of those days, isn't it? Okay, let's try that again. And actually, I think I'm gonna do it on the corner. I think I'm gonna pull these off first. Okay, so like I said, I did not plan in here last week. I decided to take a break. Oh my gosh, I just ripped that clean in half. Okay, that's awesome. Anyway, I just decided to take like a little bit of a break last week because I just was having a busy week, but I also really wanted to catch up in my memory planner, and I only had so much time to film, and I just didn't really needed. I just used my bullet journal instead for the week, which had already been pre-set up because I've been drawing like 2 weeks at a time in there, and it worked just fine. I didn't have any plans or appointments or anything last week, anyways, or this week that we're in now, because it's actually Thursday while I'm planning this, instead of on the weekend, which I will explain in a second. But anyway, so my bullet journal, I just had a lot of to-dos, especially we're really trying to track down some house stuff, and I had a lot of follow-ups because it was I think actually today is tax day while I'm filming this, but our stuff is done now, so I don't remember, or maybe it was yesterday, I don't really remember. Anyway, our stuff is done now, so I don't have to worry about that and that kind of stuff. So the bullet journal was really just perfect. And then this week is not super busy or anything. I'm starting a work project, which is the first work that I've done besides my regular Monday thing since before my daughter was born, so that's kind of exciting. Now that my oldest is back in camp, things are just a little bit easier to kind of pick that up. And yeah, so that's pretty much it. And then my husband has a doctor's appointment this week, and still trying to chase down a bunch of house stuff. We're having a lot of problems with that, but not they haven't started work yet. We're having trouble even getting quotes and stuff. I think the industry is just really kind of backed up from the quarantine and everything, which is unfortunate, and I don't know. Anyway, we're making stuff happen, or attempting to anyways. And I am just putting these a little bit higher up because I like to have a little bit of extra space, and I think that works really well. So I need a 25, I think, right? No, 24. There we go. I have a bunch of these. Okay. So yeah, and then it is, like I said, Thursday, and the reason that I'm planning on Thursday is because we are actually headed to the beach this weekend. I mean, we're probably going for every weekend now, until the summer ends. So, but we are going to the beach, and it'll be our first weekend at the beach of the summer. I'm really excited. Like I said, I'm really, really excited for that, and I just really super can't wait to be at the beach again. Although, you know, it's obviously it's going to be very different than in the past and past summers with everything still going on. And I mean, usually we like live at the beach for the summer. I do with the kids, and the kids go to camp there, but that's obviously not happening. The camp there actually didn't even open because of everything. So anyway, but yeah, so I'm really excited for that. And I had like a mishap in my memory planner where I accidentally started planning on a week that wasn't the correct week, and which is super unfortunate. So I really wanted to use like a very beachy kit in here because I accidentally started planning last week and this week, and then I didn't want to pull up all the like stickers, so I just decided to, while I was doing the pre-planning spread, that I was like not gonna try and move it because I would have to use like an entire bottle of Undo. So anyway, I just am gonna use that kit instead, and unfortunately that means that that I won't get to use like a beach kit for my very first weekend at the beach because I already put down like the base of the spread. So that's super unfortunate, and I'm not thrilled about that, but I will get over it, and I have a whole summer full of beach kits ahead. I did use the summer kit, so it's not like terrible or anything, but anyway, I just didn't want to pull it up. But yeah, so anyway, everything, I'm really excited to go down to the beach and just enjoy and hopefully relax a little, although it's going to be like us living with my parents and my brother's family, so we shall see. Okay, I don't have headers this week, and I'm actually going to mix this up, and I'm going to use this 10mm washi up at where the checklist is, and then I'm going to use like a 5mm where the checklist is not. So I'm gonna run this down and run the checklists, and then I will be right back. Okay, so I have, I'm gonna plan like a slightly differently this week. I'm gonna put down all of the things that I know like across first, and then I'm gonna come back with like the other things. So Monday I have my regular work thing. Tuesday is gonna be trash day. And I'll also have a video on Tuesday. So I'm gonna put that down here. Then on Tuesday, my husband actually has to go and get a COVID test. Not because he's sick, obviously, but before his, like he has to have a procedure on Friday, so he needs to go and get the test on Tuesday, they had said, and they could just do that in their office parking lot. So I'm gonna, whoa, that just like slipped out of my hand. I don't even know what happened there. Well, whatever. Oh my god, that looks awful. Okay, I'm gonna move that with some Undo. I don't know like what happened. That just like literally slipped out of my hand. And those doctor's appointment things are from Sticky Sloth Designs, and usually I would not use a foil die gun in my personal wide ring bound planner like that, like a plain foil die gun like that. But I have so many doctor's appointments stickers because I like accidentally bought them from like 3 different foil shops. And then for things like trash cans, I never mark that in my memory spread, so I don't mind using that in here. Okay, so then what else do I know? On Thursday, this is from Planning World. I think we're actually going to need to get groceries because I don't think my husband's going to want to do it after his appointment, which is going to be on Friday. So that'll be, I'll put that on Thursday. And then I also, oh my gosh, look how cute that little planner is. I also want to plan on Thursday since, you know, we're probably going away again this weekend. I don't have anything specific for Wednesday or anything else for Monday. Just like some follow-ups and stuff that I have to do throughout the week, but I'm going to come in and do those after I do like the plans piece. And then Friday is so similar. Okay. Sorry. I keep losing my things. Okay. Friday is the actual doctor's appointment. So let us mark that. And then I think afterwards we're going to drive to the beach. And unfortunately I'm going to have to drive because I don't think my husband will be able to drive anyways. And he is... I'm going to use one of these from Clever Gal Crafts. And my husband's totally fine, by the way, guys. He's just having that procedure that's going to make sure that our last baby was our last baby. So, you know, we're very excited about that because we do not want any more kids. Okay, so that I actually think is like all the stuff that I kind of know. I have some follow-ups that I need to do. I'm going to put on Monday. Look how cute that is. I'm going to use all of these like really cute ones from the kit if I can. So I'm going to put this on Monday because I have like a bunch of house follow-ups and contractor follow-ups and like listing whatever that I always end up, you know, trying to do on Monday. And then I will put this half box here. There's a lot of half boxes in this kit, so we can kind of do what we do with that. And then on Tuesday, maybe I'll put this little, no, I'm going to put this one on Wednesday. This is like a mail one, but this can be like for ordering stuff. So if there's any like other order stuff that we need to Amazon for the beach, I can do that on Wednesday. I'm going to use this little coffee cup. No, what am I going to use? I'm just going to put a flag down. Okay, I'll use one of these Clever Gal Craft flags again. Usually I wouldn't mix these in, but I just really want to use them. I don't know. I feel like I always try and save my best stickers for my memory spreads, which Clever Gal Crafts are definitely some of my favorite stickers. But then I'm just like, you know what? I should use some of them. I have so many. So it's a balance. It's a balancing act. Okay. Then I also have like a bunch more work that I'm going to be doing because like I said, I'm starting a project. So I'm going to mark that on Wednesday. I'm honestly probably going to try and do like a little bit every day because that's the whole point of this situation is to just do some work like every day while the kids are napping or whatever. Not like every day, but most days anyway. I guess I'm saying that like most people don't work every day. Anyway, oh, I don't like the way that looks like that. Maybe I'll just do it like, or maybe I just not do it at all. Anyway, okay. And then on Thursday, I'm going to put this here. Basically, I'm just stickering myself some space. If you are new to the way I personal wide plan, it's just like kind of, I just kind of put down everything I know and then add a bunch of other stickers in so that I don't have to go back in with stickers later in the week, if that makes sense. And let's see, what else do we have here? Thursday, we've got that. And then, that's it. I can put down, no, it needs to be smaller. But this one on Monday, I always have call follow-ups to do. Let me white out this bottom strip a little bit. Yeah, that's fine. Okay. And actually, let me do this one too. Just like this bottom bit. Okay, let's do like this down here. And then this. I have this from an old Station Stickers kit, and that will fit better because it's smaller. Yeah, like a lot of different blues going on here, but I think it looks nice. Okay, so that's everything for the week. Like I said, we're hustling through these because I only know like 6 things for the week ahead. But anyway, I'm gonna put down one of these days. Each of these are gonna get a coffee cup. So maybe I'll put down the to-go mug on the Sunday, and I'll put this one down on Saturday. And then we're gonna use a bunch of boxes to fill the rest out. You know, I think we'll probably go to the beach if it's nice. Our like game plan is to go early in the mornings, because one, it's better for the kids' schedule because then they can just come home, have lunch, and take a nap. But also that way we can go before it's crowded and we don't have to worry about like safety issues then. Because like obviously we don't want to be there if it's crowded, because that's not, you know, we're trying to maintain distance from folks not in the family, etc. So that will be good. And then I should just put this like what am I doing? I don't know what I'm doing. Yeah, so that's our game plan with the beach. I'm going to use one more of these. I guess I could have used some of the blue ones too. On Sunday, probably the last thing we'll do is drive home at some point from the beach. So, and then kind of prep for the rest of the week. So I'll use one of these too. But yeah, anyway, so that is our game plan with the beach, just to like go really early in the morning before it gets crowded. And hopefully that works, and if not, we won't do it. We will reevaluate. But we've heard from like other folks, like other friends of ours that are down there, that it's not crowded in the mornings, and you know, you can go and be distant and stuff. Okay, I'm just gonna use this little asterisk to mark up here, and then we have a full stickered spread that's very versatile, and I'll be able to fill this out sort of any way I choose. So like probably in a few days or today I'll write down the things that I know that are important, and then the rest of it I fill out throughout the week. Anyway, I'm gonna pop this back in my planner. Okay, that is everything all popped back in. Like I said, I will fill this out kind of throughout the week, and I will do that using the pen gems in this planner, which has a Pilot insert in it, and that's the only pen that I write with in this whole planner. It just helps me keep things a little bit smoother and easier if I pre-sticker everything and then just worry about writing with one pen throughout the week. And let me show you what I have left from the kit. So I used all of these boxes. I do have this one box left. I only used half the checklists, and there were a ton of half boxes in this. Honestly, I like this kit format, but for me, I like the Two Little Bees one a little bit better. I feel like some of these, like I could probably only have 4 half boxes and then have more like flags or hexagons or something like that. For me, that would make this kit like perfect. And I did have this kind of extra sheet that matches this, so I will save that as well. But I did use like a lot of the functional icons and stuff because I love stuff like that. So like more icons and more like shapes, flags, something like that, and less half boxes would be would be like my ideal thing for this kit. But it is still a really fun format, and I will definitely pick it up. Her art is so unique because she draws everything herself, so it's definitely, I love Hello Petite Paper. But anyway, that is everything. So if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. I'd love it if you'd subscribe and check me out on Instagram at My Crafty Plans to keep up with everything going on in my planner. Bye!